Hello guys, I'm Lady Droid and today I want to talk about the Galaxy Note 5. Will it work? And is it possible to use Galaxy Note 5 in the year 2024? I still have the original box. I have the version of 64 gigabytes memory. And you also can see that it's gold. My Galaxy Note 5 is from Korea and for Korea. It's Korean version. Here it is. The Galaxy Note 5. I don't have the original completation like charger and headphones, but I still have the paper and also this. Here it is, old and gold, literally. The S Pen stylus. Now we have to try to turn it on. Will it work or not? Yes, it will work. And boom! There we have Russian language in my Galaxy Note 5. The reason is because this phone was my mother's old phone, and we're living in a Russian-speaking country. Yes. The S Pen works. Great. The Google Play is not work because we don't have the internet connection. I want to connect my phone to the internet. I really like the light of these buttons. I'm not sure that you can see it. Yes, I think now you can see it. Now we have the internet connection, and let's try to... Oh, I signed in to my account, and now we will check the applications. Will they work or not? Let's start with the Instagram. We can see that the Instagram is still available to this phone. Now let's try Telegram. Telegram is also available, is still available to Samsung Galaxy Note 5. We also still can download Snapchat, Facebook, VK, Kakao Talk, WhatsApp. Unfortunately, we can't download X Twitter because it's not available in this phone. Discord we can download. We can see that most of social media is still available on this phone, except of X Twitter. Here you can see that we have Android 7. Let's check the camera. Here is camera. We can do some photos. The quality I think is not bad. Let's check how YouTube works. But first of all, I should update my YouTube. The YouTube app has been successfully updated, and let's check how video works and how it sounds.
You came home. Leaving, she tried to kill me. I can see it in her eyes. But you want to make it difficult for yourself.
Oh my god, just look at this. We just got the new update for the Galaxy Note 5. No way. No way. It's a really big surprise from Samsung. I even don't know what to say. Let's look what is new. No way. I will install this update later when we will hear the Over the Horizon 2015. Here it is. Let's install this update. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Bye bye, guys.